This container holds 1 liter of liquid. How much liquid does this container hold? Okay, so we know that 1 liter is defined by having 10 by 10 by 10, or 1,000 centimeters cubed. That makes it 1 liter. What about this container here? You have 10 by 20 by 20. So what that actually is 4,000 centimeters cubed. Now if 1,000 centimeters cubed was 1 liter, then 4,000 centimeters cubed is how many liters? Since 1,000 to 4,000 is times 4, we need to also go times 4 on this number here, and hence our answer is 4 liters, as we had to times by 4. So our answer here should be C, 4 liters. You could also do this visually by saying, well, that's a 10 by 10 cube, then I can fit 4 of these inside there, using those measurements that you know for the length and the width. So the answer to this is still C, 4 liters.